Today we will study the Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics. I shall write here the topic name. Statement of the second law of thermodynamics. Okay, before defining the Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics, we will draw a block diagram that would be quite helpful in defining the second law of thermodynamics. Here we have a hot reservoir. Here we have a cold reservoir. In between, we have a process that would take energy, and the flow of energy will be shown here from cold reservoir to the process, and then from process to the cold reservoir. And here we also have the work done. Sorry, the direction would be opposite here. Okay, I shall write the notations here. This one is the hot reservoir working at a temperature Tc. This one is the hot reservoir working at a temperature Th. And this one is the process we have. And this one, heat that is being flown, moved from cold reservoir is the Qc. Here we have energy QH, and here we have W in, and it would be equal to 0. Okay, now we define the Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics that states it is not possible to move heat from the cold reservoir to the hot reservoir without doing some external work. Means that the energy cannot move spontaneously from cold reservoir to the hot reservoir and without doing some external work. To do that process, if we want to move heat from the cold reservoir to the hot reservoir, we must have some external work for the process. Here I shall write the definition. It is not possible to move heat from cold reservoir to the hot reservoir spontaneously on its own. It cannot move on its own from cold reservoir to the hot reservoir without some external work on the process. I shall repeat here. Second law of thermodynamics states that it is not possible to move heat from this cold reservoir into the hot reservoir without some external work. If we want to make this possible, we must have some external work that will move heat from this cold reservoir into the hot reservoir. So this one is the Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics. Before this, in the previous lecture, we have defined the second law of thermodynamics in view of the Planck's Kelvin statement, and both of the definitions are representing the same idea, that is the second law of thermodynamics.